What's good, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make your jeans wider. So I thrifted these pleather looking pants today in the women's section, believe it or not. But only problem is they are super tight. I'm talking about some testicle suffocator. These joints are crazy, and I'm more so into the baggier pants nowadays. Yeah, we got to make these things bigger. These joints are also kind of short, so we're going to start off by unhemming them. Here's a little side by side. You can kind of see how much wider the Wranglers are. Just a little heads up, you want to be careful with the seam ripper. I'm using this ball part instead of the sharp part. You don't want to damage your fabric, okay? So this is like my first time like sewing slash reworking a piece. So if I can do it, you can for sure do it. All right, y'all, so now I have a pair of pants I think fits extremely well. I'm gonna measure them up, comparing to the ones that I'm trying to alter. And then we're gonna make our cuts on the Wranglers. 16.5 inches. The pair of pants that I bought is about 13.5, so we need to add 3 inches. Also, we're gonna flare them out at the bottom. So I'm gonna measure the bottom of these pants as well. So we're about at 5 inches. I think I want to flare them out maybe like 9 to 10 inches. I'm gonna cut it at an angle once I get going. All right, gang, so essentially what I'm gonna do is cut up this side seam. So we're gonna cut along the seam, just right in front of it. Make sure you're checking underneath the fabric so we don't cut anything that we don't want to. All right, so when we're done cutting the outside seam, the pants should only be connected by the middle. All right, so I did my measurements. I'm gonna have to cut 2 inches at the top, and then we're gonna come down about 5.5 inches at the bottom. Should make a triangle without the point at the top. I got my tailor's chalk. I'm using black, so I'm gonna use the white because it's high contrast. Be able to see it better. So I'm gonna start the flare about 16 inches from the bottom, and then we'll know it's time to start angling down for the flare. So we're gonna keep it straight coming down here, and then we're gonna start angling and get to that point. All right, so this is what the finished product ended up looking like. Again, I had to like angle it on both sides of the denim, so I can get a nice little triangle. A little uneven, but it should be fine. All right, y'all, got all that done. We're just gonna face the parts that are gonna be showing on the jeans together. We're gonna place them together, and we're just gonna sew a straight stitch all the way down. I got one side done. I ain't gonna lie, it was shaky, but we got it done, and it's not falling apart. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. All right, y'all, so I finished with the pants, but it's only one issue. Like, it's not flared enough. They kind of look like regular straight leg pants. I really want them to like flare out on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut 16 inches on the inseam as well on both legs, and add another piece of fabric. So I cut these 2 pieces of fabric. It's like triangles with the point cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the inside so we can widen it up. Right now it's at about like 6.5 inches on the leg opening, but I want it to be around like 9.5, 10 inches or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna give y'all finished product.